it. $20. Hey, new to us. Whatchamacallit? Ultimate Fire Link double explosion. Let's try it. $20. Welcome to the channel. How is everybody? I don't want to get people in there, and I don't wear no tripod or nothing. So what do you need? Whole bunch of stuff, huh?
Three of those.
3
of those is what we need.
3 more.
4 of those.
4 of those. Ultimate fire explosion, huh? $2. Ball, nothing. Come on.
I've got you.
Blocker.
I can see where this one's going.
Man, huh?
Come on.
2.
Two more.
Really? Couldn't give 2? What? Come on. Monkeys in their hot tub.
Come on, fire link. What's those lanterns? 2 more, come on.
Natural style. That's a $6 line hit. Come on, 3 more.
3 more.
Ooh, come on all the way. I'll put you on YouTube.
3 more, come on.
I'll put you on YouTube. Two. Blocker. $3 though. Come on. Look at the chest.
One more chest. 3 more of those.
Come on.
Some flowers.
No flowers. Ultimate Fire Link really? Everybody's getting up from them. Right here, come on. Let's go. Look at all those fireballs underneath. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, testicles. Two more. Throw on, monkeys. Come on, monkeys. Look at that cross-eyed one.
2 more.
Yes.
$3 one. 2 $3 ones.
Welcome to the show. Now I can talk. How's it going? What you need? 4 to unlock. Come on, come on. Ultimate Fire Linkus. Come on. Come on. Come on, yes. 3 more, come on. Come on, yes. One more. Ooh, what's he doing? Look, there's a ride. Times it. Oh, wire. Come on. Let's go. What? What? Oh, Oh yes, yes. Ooh, $6. $6. Hell yeah. Come on.
Two more, come on. Oh, a $10 ball. Look at that.
Ooh, come on. He's plussing it. Big number. 50 cents. 50 cents. Come on, we need drop one, please. Please, please. Oh. It's over. But hell yeah.
We jackpot ourselves.
The little monkeys come through. The little monkeys.
Pretty cool.
You said you wanted to play a game, huh? $25. You're up $11.
Cash out.
You cashing out? It's up to you. Like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Look.